All right, round 4 here, and number 7. Don't look at our score right now. It's not pretty. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. In first seat, I think I have to pass with this hand. Starting the new year off right with a 26%. And so as convention card, 2 diamonds is diamonds. Still only have 11 points. I could put 2 spades here. It's a little bit of a gamble, and we're vulnerable, so I think I don't. Like my ace, well, maybe not even really. If I had the ace king fifth of spades or ace king six of spades, for instance, I certainly would. But maybe even with this number of points, if my points were more concentrated in my suit, or like this jack of hearts wasn't here because it's probably worthless, and I don't know, little things like the jack of hearts was spade instead. Maybe that gives me the 6 spade with the same hand. Yeah, I don't know. Okay, so Susan started with 6 diamonds, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So Gordon has 4. Spades. Gordon does not have the queen, so Susan does. I had 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's only 3 more spades. Susan has the queen. I could lead a spade back. So 5, 4, 8, 9, 10. So there's 3 more. I don't think Susan's going to have all 3 of them. So if I lead spades back, she's going to get a discard on the ace, or they're going to be 2-2 in the figures anyway, except Gordon may be able to trump one. Don't really want to lead a heart. That king. Don't really want to lead a club away from my king. So after all that thinking, I will lead a spade anyway, hoping it sets up a trump trick for my partner. And take your ace. Still sets. My jack is still well positioned. You lead a heart. There you go. Jack's. It's Jack 9 even, so I can. So if they play little, I can play. Okay. On the highest heart. I'm gonna play the spade and discard a heart right now, though. Oh, the club. We got that partner. I just taken it. Good. It's fine. That's one up for them, but we got. What's one I'm going to trump though? So they trump that one. Okay, so this one's mine. She did have another spade. You got trump there, Gordon. Jack 10 Doubleton's what you started with. Good, good. I assume that was why she had to be avoiding that. Glad I could come back to that. Well, I can take this or deck it, so it's up to you, Gordon. Mine still looks good to me. Now, I could take it with a 10 in order to lead back through her hand. Take the 10 and lead the 5. Take the 10 and even play the spade. Yeah, I'm going to do that. This is just like leading the 5, except I don't have to. Take it if you got it. Good job. Don't want our ace king to crash. Still down 1 though. Oh, another down 3. We made 1 diamond. So how many points did Gordon have? 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We didn't really have a good fit though. No trump was probably our best spot. $300 points is probably a pretty good result in that, I would think. Yeah. 3 spades is reasonable. Interesting. Okay. Hand number 8. Let's see. We go 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9 points. 5 spades. Okay, partner opens a diamond, so we're going to be at our spade. So with 9 points, any kind of jump or game invitational kind of bid we would accept usually. I think we jump to 3 spades, for instance, we could bid 4. 2 clubs. So I can't really. The clubs and diamonds are both the same as far as his bidding is concerned. Like, if he started with longer diamonds, then they're the same length roughly. For all I know, he could have had one of those hands where he had to bid it the other way, and so maybe clubs is better because he may even have more clubs than he has diamonds and didn't want to reverse. 2 spades is another potential rebid, but I'm supposed to have 6. Puts me in a little bit of a pickle. I could bid 2 no trump, but that shows more point. That shows 10 or 11 points, and I only have 9. So it's pass or 2 diamonds. We're just gonna pass. Showing me preference to clubs over diamonds. Hopefully he doesn't have 5 diamonds and 4 clubs, but it is possible. And that's exactly what he had. But the good news is I didn't get us too high. We're a misfit everywhere. Maybe he would prefer to be in diamonds in this case, though. That his diamonds are much better. But here we are. We already played these guys? Susan and MJ? I'm almost positive we did. Interesting that we're playing them again, but alright. Take a rematch. Just do a diamond. So you get a free finesse if you want it, or you can go for the ace and try and take control of the hand. You. Besides, if Susan's leading them that quickly, she probably does not have the king, which is probably true. But you're still going to lose that one later. Unless you can discard my diamond somewhere. I just don't see that happening. But there are something to be said for wanting to take control of the hand. Oh, well, like king, to take the ace and the 10's good. Okay, I'm not hurt about that. Discarding something? Diamond? I wouldn't bother trumping it. Well, I might bother trumping it. This ace of hearts must have already fallen, and oh, that was the very first trick. Sorry. So to get diamond discard certainly makes the most sense there. But you don't get to discard spades unless you can discard two of them. And same with diamonds, except you need to discard a diamond from my hand, basically. Okay, king of diamonds, yep, as expected. Two of diamonds, perhaps asking for continuation of diamonds, but doesn't happen. Little, hopefully to actually draw some trump here soon. Can't win in my hand, so I guess he's just thinking what to do next. Thinking ahead. Which has to be lead a little club to the king. Can't afford to bleed diamonds. Unless you're sure East is going to trump it, and you can maybe over trump, but then I would just lead a trump. You want to draw them all now. I mean, you can lead any of your trumps. That's the thing I would not have done, but alright. I would have led any of your trumps. Just throw a spade on there, I guess. If you're counting the diamonds and know what you're doing, then alright. Fair enough. Throw the king. Let them have it. Put the king on it. Take the ace even better. Put your king on there, it's fine. There's no point in discarding a club or a spade because you have the rest of the tricks already. Trumps. I'm not saying you have all the rest of the tricks, but you're trumping all the rest of the tricks. There's no point in, there you go. Split your honors or put the 8? I'll probably split them. Queen, jack, or 10. But if you think East has another spade, play the 8. I don't know. Okay, he splits them. He did have another spade, so the 8 would have worked. Right. Well, we've seen 2 of the spades come in. Okay. So even if they didn't split, your 8 of spades is the highest one left, but they did split. All right. Only got a 30% for that. 2 diamonds, but again, so trump is possible. 2 no trump. He could have opened 1 no trump, perhaps. Only 14 points, so that's just that's a bit of an overbid, which gets there. Okay. Yeah, I thought 2 no trump was an overbid. One player went set in 3 no trump. Because the limit makes 2, so it probably really only makes 2. And if I bid 2, he's going to go to 3. So, all right, let's start the next video. Sorry, and we'll play this hand.